You guys can go ahead. I'm gonna take a fan-free ride of this. Hey, Anthony, you're up. You're up here. See you in a second. Getting a fan-free ride. Guess what, guys? The fan on this elevator is off, and you know what that means. Parking 1. Listen, you can hear the chime.
Going up.
Let's go to M2.
Going up.
Going up.
M2. Going down.
See through the shaft.
Parking 1. Going up. Please stand clear of the closing door.
All right then. All right then. That's because you're blocking the door. No wonder it says that. Now listen to this. The pipe's so loud, it makes it vibrate. Let me show you where the machine room is. It's right here. Left. Let's catch the elevator before it leaves. Just got here. Right. Wait.
Going up.
Let's close the door so we can hear it.
Going up.
Good boy. Let's go to P2 and I'll do short.
Parking 2. Going down.